The era of the VR headset is officially dead. For years, we've been wearing heavy plastic boxes on our faces, tethered to the dream of a metaverse that never quite arrived. We've dealt with VR face, grainy pass-through, and batteries that die right as the game gets good. But as we sit here in 2026, something has shifted. The rumors are no longer just whispers, they are a flood. Internal memos from Reality Labs, supply chain leaks from Taiwan, and high-level layoffs at Meta all point to a singular, earth-shattering conclusion. The Meta Quest 4 isn't just an upgrade. It is a total reboot of how humans interact with the digital world. If you're watching this, you've probably felt the VR winter. You've seen the headlines about Meta laying off thousands of staff and shutting down internal game studios. To the casual observer, it looks like Mark Zuckerberg is giving up. But if you look closer, the truth is far more calculated. Meta isn't retreating, they are cutting the fat to prepare for a device that they believe will finally replace the laptop, the tablet, and eventually, the smartphone. This is the story of the Meta Quest 4. The device that was built to kill the Apple Vision Pro. Let's talk about the physical reality of the Quest 4. The biggest complaint about the Quest 3 was the weight. No matter how many elite straps you buy, you are still hanging half a kilogram of tech off your forehead. It's exhausting. But the Quest 4 leaks suggest a radical architectural shift. Meta is reportedly moving toward a split compute design, codenamed Pismo. Imagine a headset that weighs less than a pair of heavy ski goggles. How? By moving the battery and the heavy processing chips into an external puck, or a high-tech waist clip. This allows the headset itself to be incredibly slim, utilizing new holocake lenses that are even thinner than the pancake optics we have today. This isn't just about comfort, it's about all-day wearability. Meta wants you to put this on in the morning and forget it's there by noon. But a slim design is useless if the image doesn't look real. This is where the Quest 4 is set to humiliate the competition. We are looking at a move to micro-OLED displays. For years, Quest users have suffered through the gray blacks of LCD panels. You go into a dark cave in a game, and it looks like a foggy room. No more. Micro-OLED bring infinite contrast. True blacks. Colors that pop with a vibrancy that matches the human eye. The resolution is rumored to hit 3.5K per eye, pushing the pixel density into the retina territory where the screen door effect is finally, truly 100% invisible. When you look at a virtual monitor in Quest 4, the text won't just be readable. It will be as sharp as a physical 4K display sitting on your desk. Now let's get into the feature that everyone has been demanding, eye tracking. In the Quest 3, Meta skipped eye tracking to keep the price down. It was a controversial move that limited social presence and performance. But for the Quest 4, eye tracking is reportedly standard equipment. This changes everything. It enables foveated rendering, a technology where the headset only renders the tiny spot you are looking at in high resolution, while blurring the periphery. This allows the internal Snapdragon XR3 Gen 3 chip to perform like a high-end gaming PC. It's a cheat code for performance. But more importantly, it enables eye interact. You won't have to point a controller at an icon. You just look at it and pinch your fingers.